Want to follow Pinterest without checking every board manually? Here's how to create a Pinterest RSS feed in under a minute. No coding required. Start by opening any public Pinterest board, user profile, or search results page. Copy the URL. Then go to rss.app and paste the link into the generator. This tool lets you turn almost any website or social media page into an RSS feed. Your feed is created instantly. Just hit Save to My Feeds to add it to your account. You can also combine multiple Pinterest feeds into a bundle to track several boards or profiles in one place. From here, customize your feed. Open filters to hide duplicates, include or exclude posts by keyword, or add custom text to your title or description. In Feed Output, adjust how many items are displayed or limit the title length to show only your custom text. Want to share your feed? Use our pre-built widgets, like the carousel or image board. They update automatically, and you can embed them anywhere by copying and pasting the code into your site or app. You can also forward new pins automatically to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email. And if you use automations, connect your RSS feed to make.com, N8N, or Zapier using the XML link to trigger any workflow you like. That's it. Create your RSS feeds with RSS app today.